When it comes to replacing or installing new windows in your Dallas home, choosing the right window installer is crucial. High-quality installation can maximize the performance and lifespan of your windows, providing energy efficiency, noise reduction, and an attractive appearance. But with many options available, how do you determine which installer is the best fit for your needs? Here are the top qualities to look for in a Dallas window installer to ensure a successful project. Experience and expertise. One of the first things to consider when selecting a window installer in Dallas is their level of experience. Experienced installers are more likely to handle unexpected challenges during the installation process and deliver high-quality results. Look for companies with a proven track record and a portfolio of completed projects in your area. Expertise also means familiarity with various window types, including energy-efficient models, custom designs, and different frame materials like vinyl, wood, and aluminum. Licensing and certifications. The best window installers in Dallas are licensed and certified. Licensing ensures that the company complies with local building codes and regulations. Certifications, such as those from window manufacturers or industry organizations, demonstrate that the installer has received specialized training. For example, installers certified by specific window brands are often trained in the best practices for handling and installing those products, ensuring optimal performance. Positive customer reviews and references. Reading online reviews and testimonials from previous customers can provide valuable insight into a window installer's reputation. Check trusted review sites like Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau, BBB, to see what past clients are saying. Positive feedback often reflects high-quality work, professionalism, and excellent customer service. Additionally, don't hesitate to ask the installer for references from recent projects. Speaking directly with past customers can give you a clearer understanding of the company's reliability and workmanship. Range of services offered. A great window installer should offer a wide range of services tailored to your needs. This can include consultations, in-home measurements, custom window design options, and post-installation support. Comprehensive services ensure that you receive support from the initial stages of your project through to completion, making the process seamless and stress-free. Quality of materials. The best window installers work with high-quality materials that stand the test of time. Ask about the brands of windows and materials they use and whether they offer energy-efficient options. Energy-efficient windows can significantly reduce your heating and cooling costs, which is particularly beneficial in the Dallas climate. Quality materials paired with expert installation also contribute to the durability and performance of your windows. Strong warranty and after-sales support. Reputable window installers in Dallas provide comprehensive warranties that cover both the products and the installation work. This warranty demonstrates their confidence in their craftsmanship and the materials used. In addition to a warranty, after-sales support is vital. If any issues arise after installation, a responsive and supportive company will ensure the problem is resolved quickly and effectively. Transparency and clear communication. Communication is key to any successful home improvement project. The best window installers keep their clients informed every step of the way, from providing detailed cost estimates and timelines to explaining the installation process. They should be upfront about pricing, potential challenges, and any additional costs. Transparent communication builds trust and ensures you feel confident about your investment. Customization options. Every home is unique, and your windows should reflect your personal style and functional needs. Top window installers offer customization options, allowing you to choose from various window styles, colors, materials, and finishes. Whether you want to replicate a historic design or prioritize energy efficiency, the installer should be able to tailor their services to meet your specific requirements. Punctuality and professionalism. Professionalism goes beyond installing windows. It includes arriving on time, respecting your property, cleaning up after the job is done, and conducting themselves courteously. A punctual and professional installer demonstrates respect for your time and commitment to high standards of service. Competitive and fair pricing. While it's important to find a window installer who offers fair pricing, the lowest price is not always the best option. Focus on finding a company that balances cost with quality and provides value for your investment. Request multiple quotes to compare services, warranties, and the quality of materials used, ensuring you make an informed decision. Conclusion: choosing the right window installer in Dallas can make all the difference in the success and longevity of your window installation project. By prioritizing qualities such as experience, customer reviews, clear communication, and the use of high-quality materials, you'll ensure that your windows provide optimal performance, beauty, and value for years to come. Don't settle. Find a professional who meets these criteria and invests in your home's comfort and efficiency.